I will talk about how can you get premium on your Magicplan app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down, you click here on profile and account down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on see plans, you just click on it. It's going to take you to this list here. So then here can you get your plans in this list. If you want to add sketch here, just click on it and you click on proceed to payment. Then here add payment, you just click on it here. It's going to show for you this list. Then here add credit or debit card, then it's going to add with you. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.